All right, Mr. Short here again. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 27. You have page 135, and you also have page 136 tonight. I'm only helping you with 135. I'll read 136, but I'm not going to do it. All right, number 1 says, there are 8 plates on the counter. Lan puts 5 more plates on the counter. Then Nate takes 2 plates off the counter. How many plates are on the counter now? We can draw this one, and these numbers are small. So let's do plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's our 8 on the counter. All right. Now we're going to put 5 more plates on the counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, here's our first ones, right? And then we have new 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are our new ones. Then Nate takes 2 plates off the counter. Maybe Nate's getting a snack for him and a friend. So get rid of 2. 1, 2. You can put X's. That's fine. So how many plates do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 2 boxes down here, though. So we have 11 plates right now, right? P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. Oh, I need to write a little harder. L-A-T-E-S. Now we can see that a little better. Sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't pushing hard enough. All right, so we have 11 plates. But what do we figure out first? Here's what your teacher wants you to say. All right? So we had 8 plates, and Nate puts more on the counter. So we added 5 more. So we added 5 more. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But then Nate takes 2 plates. So we had 13. Nate took 2. So we have to take away 2. So that gives us 11. P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. I don't know why I had to say it that way, but I did. All right. You can do your place value chart, but it says draw. Sometimes it's easier just to make a picture. If you want to draw real nice dinner plates, go for it. Take your time. Make them look nice. But that can be a plate just as easy as if you do this wonderful drawing that looks like it should be online on a video selling plates. All right. I'll read number 2 to you, but I'm not going to do it for you. Hope makes 17 cards. Beth makes 5 fewer cards than Hope. How many cards does Beth make? So Hope makes 17 cards. Draw 17 cards. Make 17 something up here that are going to be cards. You can make 17 squares. You can make whatever you want. Make 17 of them. All right? Beth makes 5 fewer. That means less than. That means not as much. So how many does Beth make? So if you have 17, because you're Hope, but Beth makes not as many as you got to figure out what you got to do. You got to get rid of this many from here. So take this number out of this many. And what do you have left? I hope that helps. Not a lot tonight. 2 problems. Take your time. Draw it. Color it. Make it look nice if you want to. I hope this helps out. Again, Mr. Short, Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 27 homework help. Hey, tell your other second grade friends. Click subscribe for me. Help me out. Let's see if by the end of the school year I can get to 1,000 subscribers. See if you can help me get there. Have a